Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Microsoft account tied to the Windows license and signing in that account. Microsoft.com. Make sure your recovery email or phone works, and once signed in, navigate to devices so you can locate the PC name. You do this because a digital license links to the account rather than a printed key. If two-step verification is off, enable it now. It both secures access and avoids lockouts when retrieving license details. Once done, open Devices in your Microsoft account and pick the specific PC. That confirms a digital license is present. Then on the PC, go to Settings, Update and Security. Activation to verify Windows is activated via digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If no product key appears, understand that Microsoft stores a digital entitlement, not a visible key. You rely on the linked account. For a retail purchase, cross-check your email receipts, where a 25-character key might be provided. To finish, if reinstalling or moving Windows, sign into the same Microsoft account during setup so activation happens automatically. That uses the stored digital license. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter in Settings or use the device list on your account to remove old devices and free the license. If you need an actual key and have a retail purchase, locate the email receipt. Troubleshooting tip. If activation still fails, contact Microsoft support with account, device name, and proof of purchase to resolve licensing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.